In this video, you will learn how to add your Navy Federal card to Apple Pay. First, open the Wallet app. On your iPhone, open the wallet, tap the plus icon, tap the plus sign in the upper right hand corner to add a new card. Enter your card details. You can either scan your Navy Federal card using your iPhone's camera or enter the card details manually. Verify your card. Follow the prompts to verify your card. This might include receiving a one-time code by email or text, or using Face ID or Touch ID, or confirming through the Navy Federal mobile app. Set as a default card. Make your Navy Federal card the default for Apple Pay. Go to your settings, Wallet and Apple Pay, then select your card under Default Card. Start using Apple Pay. Once your card is verified, you can begin using it with Apple Pay for contactless payments at supported merchants. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.